Today I am going to teach you how to create a Python program of BMI. I have opened ideally cell 3.9.7. To type a program, click File menu, then New File. Here I am going to type the program, then I will explain line by line. So listen it carefully. First code, it will in kilogram and stored in a variable as centimeter. Will input height into centimeter and it will be assigned a variable height. Then we need to calculate BMI. BMI. To calculate BMI, formula is BMI is equal to weight upon. We need to divide height by 100 so that it must be converted into meter, because body mass index formula is weight upon height, but height must be into meter. We have to make it a square by putting double star by 2. So it will calculate height square into meter. Now we need to print BMI, but before printing the BMI we have to assure that user is underweight or overweight. Now we are going to print the BMI of the user. Print the BMI of the user. It will print a simple message, your body mass index is, and BMI variable will print the value of BMI, which is calculated with the help of the formula weight upon height upon 100 square. Now we have to find out user is underweight or overweight on the basis of condition. So we are going to use if condition. If BMI is calculated below 18.5, it will print a simple message, you are underweight, else you are overweight. Your program is ready. So we are going to run this program and see the output on different conditions. Run module. Then this program and its output will appear. Now enter your weight. I am entering the weight or my weight, that is 70 kg, and centimeter height is 152. So your body mass index is 30.29 and it is displaying that I am overweight. Again, I want to run this program. I'm entering 42 kg and height 152. So body mass index is 18.1 and it is displaying you are underweight. So students, you can develop a Python program and calculate your BMI. Thank you for watching.